Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to jazz up your text? I'll show you an awesome Canva typography effect. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for this design, and click Create New Design to open a blank canvas with the specified dimensions, ready for your project. Next, go to the Text tool and add a heading. Then, click to type your desired text. Ensure the heading is clear and prominent to enhance readability and page structure. Adjust font size as needed. Center your content, then add effects using the toolbar at the bottom. To enhance your project further, access the available apps by clicking the relevant button. These apps provide additional features and effects to customize your work. Use them to adjust colors, apply filters, or include special elements. This process helps create a polished, professional final product efficiently and effectively. To create new typography styles in Canva, start by selecting your text. Then, explore the available apps to find creative design options. Choose a style that fits your project, like this sample, and apply it to your text. You can add the style text to your canvas by clicking on it. This method offers a simple way to enhance your typography using Canva's integrated apps. Experiment with different effects and settings to customize your design and make your text stand out. This approach helps you create unique typography easily. Let's use the word art generator. Type your text, then click Generate. Select the cartoon style. This action uses 1 credit, and you currently have 1 credit available. Make sure to confirm your choice, as generating word art will deduct your remaining credit. Proceed to create your design now. Thank you. Now, add the item to this side to continue with the next step in the process. Here, we have our new text element. Many applications support adding text in this way. On the Text tab, you can enter your desired text easily. There are numerous font options available to customize your text's appearance. Select the font that best suits your design. You can also apply special fonts for unique styles. Experiment with different fonts to enhance your project. This feature allows for versatile text editing within the application, making it simple to achieve the look you want. Use the Text tab to add and style your text efficiently. Select the text you want to change. Click to highlight it, then type your new content directly. Adjust the font size, style, or color as needed. This lets you customize any text easily, updating your document or design with fresh information. Keep editing until it looks perfect. Select the download type, then create or resize your design as needed. Adjust the dimensions by dragging the edges or entering specific values. Before downloading, click the Share button to access sharing options. Set the file size to maximum for the highest quality. Finally, click Download to save your design to your device. Now you know how to create cool typography text effects in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.